Welcome to the Charger and Adapter Factory, Xinspower. Xinspower Technology was founded in 2008, has been focused on the power adapter and charger design, development, manufacture, and sales for the integration of high-tech companies. We dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained FCC, UL, KC, KCC, PSE, ETL, BSMI, CE, GS, UKCA, CCC, CQC, SAA, RCM, BIC certificates. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as United States, Korea, Japan. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. In recent years, the quick charging category as one of the important strategies of the company since 2008. Xinspower found charging technology has been a dramatic upheaval. Xinspower have to grasp the opportunities, intelligent charging, quick charging, the combination of various charging application products, such as industrial design, technical exploration, design and manufacture reliable charging products that satisfy consumers around the world. Xinspower have long-term contracted industrial design partners. Continuously launched in line with the domestic and international market consumers' popular charging products. Xinspower developed charging technology from BC 1.2, QC 3.0, 4.0, PD Quick Charge, intelligent fast charging technology such as application of GaN technology. We took advantage of many years' experience on development of power supply. Further application of the most advanced charging technology completed the optimization and security intelligent charging products.